Discuss the role of the Election Commission of India in the light of the evolution of the Model Code of Conduct. 250 words, 15 marks. Introduction. The Election Commission of India, ECI, as outlined in Article 324 of the Indian Constitution, is an independent body that oversees electoral processes in India. Its main goals are to ensure free and fair elections, promote transparency, and uphold democratic values. A key tool used by the ECI is the Model Code of Conduct, MCC, which sets guidelines for the behavior of political parties, candidates, and government officials during elections. Although the MCC is not legally enforceable, it is widely accepted and helps maintain a fair electoral environment. Body. Role of the Election Commission of India in the evolution of the Model Code of Conduct. Formulation and evolution. The ECI created the MCC in 1960 through a consensus among major political parties. It has since updated the MCC regularly to tackle new challenges and gather input from stakeholders. Implementation and enforcement. The ECI ensures adherence to the MCC by political parties, candidates, and officials. While the MCC lacks legal force, the ECI can take actions against violators, such as issuing warnings or countermanding elections in severe cases. Awareness and education. The ECI raises awareness about the MCC through outreach programs, workshops, and media campaigns for political parties and the public. Monitoring and grievance redressal. The ECI employs monitors, such as observers and flying squads, to ensure MCC compliance. A grievance redressal system addresses complaints about MCC violations, including an online portal for lodging complaints. Adaptation to technological advancements. The ECI updates the MCC to deal with challenges posed by social media and digital platforms, providing guidelines for their use in election campaigning. Conclusion. The Election Commission of India plays a vital role in developing, implementing, and enforcing the Model Code of Conduct. Its efforts greatly enhance the conduct of free, fair, and transparent elections in India, thereby supporting the democratic principles enshrined in the Constitution.